Jungle night.
Wow!
Moon is bright. Magic book starts glowing like cookies. Letters jump and run away. Tree Pretty starts the game today. Jungle calls coming through. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Mr. Ray, Mr. Ray, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the alligator's tail. Hard away, end of the trail. Mr. B, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the bear, so wide day. Got you deep, low place to hide. Mr. C, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near crocodile splash pool. Got you see in one big dash. Hey! Mr. D, where are you?
Oh no!
Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind the deer so fast. Got you deep, found you at last. Mystery, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding near elephant ear so big. Got you do a happy G. Mr. F, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding on a lily leaf. Got you F, quick and brief. Mr. G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding behind giraffe so tall. Got you G, I saw it all. Mr. H, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in hippo water splash. When got you H in one fast dash. Say to H all found today. Jungle fun in every way. Kitty wins the alphabet thank you. Jungle now is never the same. Mr. I, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding in the bush so low. Got in near the jungle stone. Slithering under leafy dung. Got you S, you're found instead. Mr. T, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Hiding under leaves so wide. Got you G, come outside. Mr. M, where are you? Here I am,
Oh no!
peekaboo. Swinging fast on jungle rope. Trap you and wild escape rope. Talking loud in jungle air. Jungle letters side by side. PD searching every tree. Fun adventure wild and free. Mr. Q, G, where are you? Here I am, peekaboo. Running in the bush so small. high. Kitty, stop rushing. Oh no, Jack, Kitty forgot all her body parts. Let's help Kitty learn and point them correctly. Touch, sing, and learn with Kitty Fun. Kitty looks in the mirror today. Something is missing. What can I say? She wants to learn in a funny way. So let's help Kitty start to play. Head, 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 where are you? Here I am, I'm on top of you. Kitty laughs, I found you there. Her head is here, now we're aware. Eyes, eyes, where are you? Here I am, I see you too. Kitty blinks, I can see bright. Eyes help me see day and night. Nose, nose, where are you? Here I am, I sniff things too. Kitty giggles, what a smell. Nose is working very well. Mouth, mouth, where are you? Here I am, I talk to you. Kitty sings la la la. Mouth can laugh and say hurrah. Hands, hands, where are you? Here I am, I clap for you. Kitty claps, clap, clap. Hands help me give a tap. Feet, feet, where are you? Here I am, I walk with you. Kitty jumps, run so fast. Feet help me have fun that last. Kitty learned her body parts today. Head to feet in a fun way. Touch and sing, come and see. Learning is fun for you and me. Oh no, side of the Dino train is out of control. Kitty is the driver, but spooky dinos are everywhere. Let's ride the train and fix the chaos. 5 spooky dinos were riding the train. T-Rex, Raptor, making lots of pain. One stood up and shook the track. Kitty called the old and the owl said back. No more dinos riding the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 4 spooky dinos were riding the train. Stegosaurus jumping in the rain. One fell off and broke the wheel. Kitty called Dino Doc and he said, stop this chaos on the train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 3 spooky dinos were riding the train. Triceratops causing loud noise again. One hit the horn, beep beep. Kitty called the ghost, and ghost said fast, no more smashing the train.
The castle ahead is
Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding. 2 spooky dinos were riding the train. Raptor and Rex jumping in pain. Seats all broken, lights went dark. Kitty called the bear and bear made remark. Stop this spooky train ride. Almost broken train. Riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino riding the train, Rhino Woman says, let's ride the Dino train today. Riding the train, regular riding the train, regular riding the train, regular riding the train, regular Dino roars but not so strong. Something feels totally wrong. Crack, crack in his teeth today. Oh no, 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 what's the way? Help, 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 what to do? Dentist Kitty is coming through. Dino opens mouth so wide. Ouch, 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 he cannot hide. No crunchy food, no happy bite wet. Even grass feels not right. He shakes his head. I feel pain. Big dinosaur eyes makes all the day. Teeth are hurting very slow. Can't talk, beep, beep, beep. Titi arrives with happy lip red. White coat on tiny chair. Not worry, Dino, I'll take care. She checks the teeth one by one. This problem will soon be gone. Kitty, Kitty, on the way. Fixing teeth today. Brush, 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 shiny clean. Now he feels strong, bone smooth. Kitty gives magic mint glow. Now your smile can really show. Brush, 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 all okay. Fixing teeth today. Dino tries one crunchy bite. A wow, it feels just right. He jumps, he roars, he plays again. No more pain, no more pain. Kitty claps, mission done. Lick, lick, smiles like rising sun.